Hi, this is Chloe recording the view from my apartment roof. I live at a downtown apartment called Foster on the Park. There's a farmer's market there every Saturday, which is really nice. There's the DCRI building. And down here you can see the Durham Food Hall. There's a lot of great restaurants here. There's Dame's Chicken and Waffles on the corner. And there's more restaurants down the road. And this is the rooftop. There's also this small dining room inside. I just hosted a dinner with friends here last weekend, which was really nice. And there's a lot of apartments in this area as well. Here's a quick view of the gym. There's a pool outside and also a yoga studio, which is really great.